HVS Technologies. Here we are going to demonstrate an Android voice application based device controlling system. So here we are going to have an along with Android Bluetooth wireless communication, we also have Android Wi-Fi also for controlling the devices using both applications, voice as well as text. So coming to voice application, we go with Bluetooth wireless connectivity, and coming to text application, we go with Wi-Fi connectivity. So you can see here the Wi-Fi dongle being interfaced. So for both interfacing of wireless technologies, we use Raspberry Pi as a board, ARM11 Raspberry Pi processor. So to this Raspberry Pi processor, we give inputs from Bluetooth along with Wi-Fi. So first we initially check with Bluetooth. So as we on a Bluetooth device, so we can see here normal LED is getting blinked up. So it is waiting for pairing the mobile Android mobile to the Bluetooth connectivity. So once it gets paired, the LED blinking gets stopped, indicating that it has been paired to the user device. So from Bluetooth, we are going to give voice application. So here we have like 1, 3, 5, 7 odd numbers for owning the device, and even numbers 2, 4, 9 as offing it.
1, 3, 3, 5, 7, 2, 2, 2, 4, 9, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8.
So in this way we can have a voice application system based on Android mobile phone through Bluetooth wireless connectivity. I can control the devices. So for devices interfacing, we use electromagnetic relay switches which are triggered by the Raspberry Pi unit. So input modules, our wireless modules, nothing but your Wi-Fi along with Bluetooth, and the output modules are nothing but relay switches which are again interlinked with our devices. So we just go with the second operating mode of your device. So we go with Wi-Fi connectivity. So first set the hotspot. So configure the mobile hotspot with HVS Technologies as a name, and the security along with the password been entered. And once the connectivity has been made, you can get a confirmation. So turn on your Wi-Fi device. As the Wi-Fi device gets switched on, so we get the triggering input through text. So the text application has been made for controlling your devices. You can see here the Raspberry Pi with IP address being linked up with the Wi-Fi dongle, which is interfaced to Raspberry Pi. So you can see here one mobile we have created the hotspot using HVS Technologies as a name, and from the second user mobile phone, so we can open the application, the text application with the same IP address link up, pi@raspberry pi 22.22. And as we open the application, settings, again search for HVS Technologies. So as we get connected, we can make the IP address being linked up. So once IP address, once it has been set,
For the password.
so it wait for the password entrance.
Password is going to be Raspberry. Raspberry, generally.
Raspberry is the password being entered from the user end mobile.
So to show you, I hit the Raspberry is connected one. So increase the font, goes like this. Increase the volume. And now the command is to exit the Wi-Fi. Sudo space dot Wi-Fi. Enter. So you get the reply Wi-Fi home automation. So here also same thing is 1 enter the device was switched on, and the 3 enter, 5 enter, 7 enter. 4 devices put on, and same to offering it even numbers. 2 here same thing is 2, 4, 6, 8 only. 6, 8. Okay.
In this way, we can make using both applications, voice as well as text, by making two wireless connectivity, both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, using Raspberry Pi for multitasking. Thank you for watching the video.